Yeah, you're right. She's having a stroke. Yeah. Oh.
Tequila.
Tequila.
I feel like Mark is forcing us to drink. I'm not gonna be in a good mood.
Well, hey! Yes, sir.
We're going to this boat because I've been there since like I think 2008 if I remember correctly. Me personally, I can't do anything off the shipwreck, but I can tell you one thing: somebody's gonna get fucking hurt. I vote that Stag is gonna be the one that gets hurt today.
I'm gonna say Mark. I'll put a shot of tequila on the line.
My vote's Zoe. You think I'm gonna get hurt? I think she's gonna get hurt.
I don't want to hit bottom like with my foot. If my foot is like hurt in any way, I'm.
You know me love hitting bottoms.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
With the original Jay Castor, 2017 World Champion, Surf Champion. We're about to take the boats out in a minute, see what we can get done on the waters. You know how we go, we live in that salt life, man.
So, Caddis, we bet one tequila shot on who is going to hurt themselves.
Well, if we get Jason coming out here, I guarantee you it can be Jason, no doubts about it. It all goes down. Separate the men from the boys, the women from the ladies.
The woman from the ladies.
Just know that shit is supposed to happen, but that most extreme shit goes down. Tune in. Oh Lord.
We are at the Lapami Express, one of Turks Caicos' biggest attractions. We take our guests through all the time. We do cliff jumping off the side of it. We are doing our first ever cliff jumping competition today. We have Stag, we have Caddis, we have the big man Mark DeFrank, and we have Batman. We're hoping for a landing triple. We know we can do doubles. That's going to be maybe the winner unless someone can pull the triple. If we get the triple, it's game over. Stag, I think already there thinks he's already got the triple. He's messaging his.
Of course I can go for the triple, bro. I am the guy.
You've got the triple?
Unlock.
Unlock? We're either doing this bareback or we're doing it. That sounds kind of gay.
Remember when I tried to triple without a life jacket? Oh my God, breathtaking.
The man is getting in his prime element right now. It's about to go down.
It's about to go down.
I'm not gonna lie, man, I'm kind of nervous now. Now that we actually out here, because you know these guys, like, they willing to put their life on the line right now. We got 2 cash prizes for the first and second place. I think got 400 like for first place winner, 200 for the second place.
Let's do this.
All right, that man already got 2 points already.
That kind of looks like it hurt. Yep.
That was alright. It is up pretty high. It's a black guy. We do this.
Whoa.
Oh my God!
That was terrible. I chickened out, man.
I don't know if he was trying to do a 2 or 1.
I went for the 2 and then middle of the air, my body was like 1.
What the I don't know what the
It looked good from here.
As a man, I do it with no jacket.
Oh, that was pretty clean. That was pretty clean.
I don't think I'm supposed to flip with y'all, man.
That's pretty good.
Wow, that was good.
I felt that was good, man. I felt a little bit on my face, but
8.9.
8.9. Oh! Safety man, go! Yo, Stag, you good? Stag! Is he alive? That's another willow ear right there.
Oh! Jesus Christ!
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir!
Yeah. You keeping scores around here.
So far he's leading, but we can't tell him that.
Last place. Zoe. Third place. Caddis. Now, first place. By Ty, Stag, and Mark DeFrank. So which me and Caddis take second?
Fair enough. I agree with that, you know? Champion in the club today, bro.
Yes, sir.
Hoes and man.
Yes, sir.
Anything you gotta say? We are not sensei. 2 champions right here, bro. Me and Stagger Lee.
Yes, sir! I was always king of the ship, but I don't mind sharing it with the boss.
I joined first, which I'll take. I think the boys were better than I was, or not tonight, but usually are better than I am. But I remain joint sensei with Stag, so I'm taking it, I'm happy. No triples were done tonight, so that is for next time.
It was rad. Everyone sent it. I also did a couple backflips, but apparently I was not a part of the contest. Not too sure what's up with that. LJ hit me up later, it's a little tap. It's all good, I had fun, either way.
And that's it for another day in
That's
paradise.
it for another day in paradise, man.
Wait, can you tell me what's going on right now?
Mark has pissed like a goddamn